So how do you do asset recovery on a party if they're located overseas? This is Dave at AFX Search, licensed private investigators. If you're a creditor on a judgment, or if you have somebody that owes you money, or there's a debt that's owed from a company and they're located overseas, the instinct is to think that that money is gone. It's overseas, you're not going to be able to get it. In many cases, the fact that a person or company is overseas makes collection or asset recovery easier. The reason why is that U.S. laws are very secure in protecting individuals more so than other countries. If you have a debtor that's located in a British sovereign law type country, there are many mechanisms of law that you can use to do things that you can't use in the U.S. There's Anton Pillar orders, there's Norwich Pharmacol orders, there's Monroe orders, and each one of those allows you to do things which you can't do in the U.S. For example, you can do a civil search warrant in some countries that if you go to a judge and explain to them that you have this case, there's this party that's hiding evidence, that's destroying records, that is squandering assets, even without telling that other party, you can basically break into their location with a judge's order and seize records before they're destroyed. You can also go to a bank and have that bank freeze assets without the other party becoming aware of this, based on bringing this information to the court. Your attorney or legal representative will have to be part of that process and understand all the details that go along with it. But these are things you can't do in the U.S. In some cases, the client has been advised to force bankruptcy to start in another country rather than the U.S. because in that other country, the bankruptcy case towards a client will force them to do things that they may not have to do in this country. For example, turn over assets, turn over documents that would have to go through all kind of discovery and objections in the U.S. So because of the fact that a debtor or party is in another country is not a reason to lose hope on being able to recover assets. In many cases, it's easier to recover assets in other countries. If you have questions about running an investigation, you can reach us at our website at afxsearch.com.